Hello students, let us continue lesson number 7 and the topic is Emperor Harshvardhan. After the Gupta age, the king of Harshvardhana is considered as one of the important state of ancient India. Harshvardhana was the king of Vardhana dynasty, that is Pushyabhuti clan of Thaneshwar. Harshvardhana's father's name was Prabhakavardhan and sister name was Rajeshri. Rajeshri married Dhruvavarman, the king of Kanauj. Harshvardhan ascended the throne in 606 AD. He was the last great emperor of ancient India. Harshvardhan was defeated in the Battle of Narmada by Pulkeshi II. Harshvardhana was devotee of Lord Shiva. Later, he became the great follower of Buddhism. Chinese traveler Huinstang came to India during the time of Harshvardhan. Harshvardhana organized a religious conference under the presidentship of Huinstang in Kanauj. The great poet Banabhatta was a part of Harshvardhan's court. He wrote great volumes like Harshcharitam and Kadambari in Sanskrit literature. Mayur Bhatt and poet Jai Sen, that name is Jai Surya, were the great poet during Harshvardhan's time. Harshvardhana himself was a high-ranking literary figure also. He composed two plays called Priyadarshika and Ratnavali. He wrote a special play named Naganand. He donated 100 villages to sustain Nalanda Vidya Peeth. Now, the next topic is Pulkeshi II. Among the contemporary king of Emperor Harsh's time, Pulkeshi II was the most powerful Cholukyan king. He took the power from Rashtrakutas in Maharashtra and established a state. Pulkeshi II ruled for almost 40 years. He even defeated Emperor Harsh. He was a great winner. After defeating Kadamba Gangas of Maheshwar, Mauryas of Konkan, he received the title of Lord of South. He also defeated Lat, Malav and Gurjar. He was a ruler of all regions of Karnataka, Maharashtra and Konkan. Just like Harsh, he had also developed relations with other countries. He had sent one of his ambassadors to Iran's Emperor Khusro II, who was his friend. Now the next topic is other states. At this time, other states including Palwas of Kanchi, Gurjars, Pratiharas of Rajasthan, Maitraks of Vallabhi, Gurjars in South Gujarat, Karkotako of Kashmir, etc. Palwas of Kanchi had become famous for their architecture and art. They built many temples of Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh by cutting rocks. Palwas, who built chariot temple on seashore, have increased India's cultural prosperity. Kailashnath temple, built in Kanchipuram, can be considered as the best temple of that time. Now, student, I hope you understood this lesson. Thank you.